So today I'm going to show you how to make a popcorn stitch. So I've used a popcorn stitch to make this little sheepy here on my granny square. I will be making a tutorial of how I made this. He's got a little 3D face and a nose, little poppy out ears, little feet if you can see. And yeah, he's quite fluffy and he's definitely 3D, as you can see. So tutorial will be coming out for this very soon. I'm working on it at the moment. So one of the things that I struggled with was learning how to do the popcorn stitch. So I'm going to show you how to do this today. So very quickly, I'm just going to chain a row. Okay, so I've just very quickly chained a row just to show you and put a few stitches in. So I'm going to skip into a stitch. So once I'm in a stitch, now I'm going to create my double crochet stitch. Okay, so this is the beginning of a popcorn. Sometimes you'll do a treble, but very rare, it's normally a double. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to chain 2 for the start of my first double crochet stitch. I'm going to go into my stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to do 5 of these, so this is going to count as 1, 2. My chain 2 counts as a double crochet for this stitch. 3, 4, and 5. Once I have 5 double crochets in my stitch, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw up quite a large loop. So you can put stitch marker in there or keep your finger in there. Then what you need to do is find the very first stitch of your popcorn, and you're then going to get this big loop and you are going to pull it through, and you're going to do that very nice and tight, and then use your working yarn to pull really tightly, and here you'll see you formed a little popcorn shape. So I'm just going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to do another. So I'm going to go in, and this time I'm just going to do 5 double crochets, as I don't need to do my chain 2 because I've already got I've already started it off, sorry. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now I have 3 chains, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 for 4, yarn over once more, pull through and pull through. Once I've done that, I'm going to draw up a large loop, pop my finger or a stitch marker into there. Then going to find the top, grab my hoop that I made, pull it through my stitch, and then I'm going to very tightly pull to form my popcorn shape. And I'm going to then chain 2. Created some small bubbles here into my chain, and that is my popcorn stitch. So I hope this helps.